Hey, welcome back, Rankers. How you doing? It's been a heck of a week, and I can't tell you terribly much about it just yet, but it's all about the .au stuff. Yes, I just want to say right now, a big, big thank you to all my awesome staff. They have gone through a lot this week, and thank you. I'll be revealing more in the not too distant future, but if you haven't signed the petition at change.org on stopping the .au cash grab, please do. It would help us a lot. So just Google stop AU cash grab in Google, and you will find the petition there. There'll be more on that in the coming weeks, but for the moment, that's all I can say. Right, I want to tell you about a side product or a side effect of doing this campaign. And as I said from the start, with the .au campaign, I was going to be measuring everything, using the tools that we have out here at our disposal to get the message across and to get the message out and reach an audience and grow an audience. And I've been very, I don't suppose surprised, I guess pleasantly surprised. But if I go and have a look at the queries for just my name since we started this campaign, which was about the 13th of January, 14th of January is when I went to the public forum. And then I started talking about it publicly. We took a few ad campaigns out on Facebook, and you can see here I've had a lot more interest in my name and our brand name, Stuart Media. So those two things have basically doubled a lot of the traffic. And I've been very interested also then to see, well, what has it affected? So you can go into Search Console into the performance area and pick a query. And in this case, I've just picked my name. And then I can go in and say, well, what pages have appeared with that? And it gives you some amazing insights. Like it says here that the blog has appeared when my name has been Googled. And you think, oh, well, okay, that sounds about right. And so then I went and Googled SEO blog, and this is a search in Melbourne, and you can see here I'm on page 1 all of a sudden. I haven't been on page 1 for SEO blog for ever. I'm not too sure the last time I was there for SEO blog, but and if I go back and have a look at search analytics, I can see that that hasn't registered, hasn't ranked at all. So this is a side effect. So we haven't tried to rank for SEO blog, but you can see there, we're sitting just above Search Engine Watch, just below OpenVine. We've got Blog Tyrant, we've got Moz up here, and there's just other ones like SERPs check. Now you might say, oh well, they're not big phrases, without a lot of volume. But here we are on the page 1 of Google for SERPs check, and a whole range of those phrases, right? Not just that one, but so all of these different phrases are now starting to rank and live as more people are searching for me and our business. And that makes sense from a brand perspective, because if more people are looking for you and your brand, if more people are trying to track down your brand in relationship to a keyword, so it might be your brand and shoes if you sell shoes, or your brand and fashion if you sell fashion. The more that you can get that happening, the more that you can get people talking about you, the more you're going to see other content that you've created previously come up in the rankings. And you've got to have everything else in place first as well. I mean, you've got to have great speed, you've got to have great user experience, and just have a good, clean index and all those sorts of things. But the thing that is going to help your rankings and help your traffic overall is if you can bring your brand to the forefront of people's minds. And like any marketing, it's not about being first to market. It's about being first in the mind of the consumer. And that's what we're doing here with this .au campaign. We're seeing real evidence of that, and that makes me happy. Hopefully that's helpful, and I'll see you next week. Thanks very much. Bye.